In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack to create a newsletter. To begin, let's walk through the process together. First things first, access your Substack account. Once you're on Substack, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen there. You'll spot your account icon. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page dedicated to managing your account details. Once you're on the Settings page, look for the option that says Create Another Publication and click on it. This is the starting point for setting up your new newsletter. Now, it's time to get a bit creative. You'll need to name your publication. Think of a name that truly represents your brand or the theme of your newsletter content, something catchy and easy to remember. Once you've settled on a name, choose a URL that aligns well with your chosen name. When you're ready, hit the Continue button to proceed. Next, let's discuss your mailing list. If you already have a mailing list from a different source, this is where you'll import it. Click on Select File to upload your mailing list. Doing this ensures that your existing subscribers are seamlessly transitioned into your new Substack newsletter. However, if you're just starting out and building your audience from scratch, you can manually add subscribers by entering their email addresses into the system. Once you've set this up, click on Continue to move forward. Now, it's time to dive into creating your first post, the heart of your newsletter. Click on New Post to start drafting your content. For your first post, opt for a text post. Begin by crafting a title that grabs attention. Something engaging and informative will do the trick. After that, consider providing a subtitle to entice your readers with a taste of what's coming in your post. This is where you'll want to highlight key points that will be discussed in detail later. Once your title and subtitle are set, proceed to fill in the body of your content. Be thoughtful and genuine with what you share. This authenticity is what will keep your readers coming back for more. When you're satisfied with your post, navigate again to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Continue. Here, you'll encounter options for distribution. Decide whether you'd like to send it to all your subscribers or just to those who pay for exclusive content. For reader engagement, consider whether to enable or disable comments on your post, as this can foster community interaction. To make your post easy to find, don't forget to add relevant tags. Whether it's technology, lifestyle, or business, these tags will help readers discover content that interests them. If you want to time your publication perfectly, you can opt to schedule it for future release, or simply send it immediately. Before you send it off, make sure you select the option to deliver via email and the Substack app, ensuring your message reaches as many people as possible. Finally, once everything is set, hit Send to Everyone Now to publish your post. Remember, after sending, you have the option to add subscribe buttons, which will encourage new readers to sign up and help keep your audience growing. And there you have it. You've just published your first Substack newsletter.